Dr. Mukul Sangma, unongilam kaliang persyak, ulakam bagajing pentrai kam ya National Register of Citizen, NRC. Kamlong kabajob bat kadau kadai nomor baklem le shwai ka National Population Register, NPR. Ulakan tak jorre kajing pentrai kam ya NRC, ha Assam. Dakabaong bakalong kabam so nomor baki breu ki badai trashnong kidang syak kan taj penban. Kani kajing kren jong Dr. Mukul Sangma kalong hadien baladon kajing keno baki trashnong ki babun kila syak kan taj kum kibari hakajing pentrai kam ka sorkar ya ke NRC hajala Assam.
In spite of having such a huge population, is a nation without NRC, without National Register of Citizens. Any country, for that matter, should have National Register of Citizens. It's as simple as that. We started doing this exercise for National Population Register. Okay. Now, what is National Population Register? National Population Register will have the whole list of the population, the whole list of the people residing in a particular locality, and they will have the categories of different residents. Okay, it's a compilation of the residents of a particular area. Now, the residents may include permanent bona fide residents and also a temporary residents who may be citizen of India or who may not be citizen of India. Okay, like for example, any particular locality population register. In absence of that, you will have the serious problem that you are facing here in respect of Assam. So any place in the whole country, now you have already the whole mandate of law. How the NPR, National Population Register, has to be ultimate, the NRC have to be compiled.